Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to get for free Adobe Photoshop 2021. Open your browser, copy and paste the link that you found in the video description. Make sure that your ad block is turned off if you use one. Complete I'm Not a Robot. Close any tabs that are going to open. Press continue after you complete the captcha. Wait 10 seconds. Press on get link. Now you have been redirected to the page where you can download the Photoshop. Press download as zip. Press OK and make sure that you have a zipper. Right now I'm going to download a zipper 7-zip. Okay, after you have an unzipper, wait to the download to complete. Okay, after it's finished downloading, you can close the browser, open File Explorer, Downloads. Now unzip it. Go, enter, and open Setup. Yes. Select your language and your location. I will just let it on the default location and press continue. Now just let it install. So, as you can see, the install is complete. You just have to press close, and then Photoshop is installed. Let me just open it to see. Create, and as you can see, this is Photoshop, real Photoshop. You can do anything you want. So thank you for watching Digital Tips. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I see you guys later. Bye.